Tenorshare 4ddig coupon code. So if you want to get Tenorshare 4ddig coupon code, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser. After that, you need to go with search and make sure that you have an internet connection and search for Tenorshare coupon code. After searching for it, now here you will have a lot of websites that will provide you the coupon codes. So you just need to simply click on the coupon code or the voucher code, and here you will have free trial or free offer or best pick. So you can simply go with any option, go with get deal, which is on the right side, and your offer will be activated. Make sure that you've logged in to your Tenorshare on the next tab, and you'll be able to get the subscription like 3 months free. You can go and download and you'll be able to get the coupon codes. Or if you go back, then you can go with the other one, and here you will have get this coupon option. Just simply click on get this coupon and you will have the coupon code. You can copy the coupon code and go with the Tenorshare website and you can paste it right there. So that's how you can get the codes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.